Welcome to our BLACK+DECKER Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular dishwashers from BLACK+DECKER, the BCD6W Portable Countertop Dishwasher and the BLACK+DECKER Built-in Dishwasher. We'll take a closer look at their features, specifications, and what sets them apart to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER BCD6W offers a compact design with a capacity of 6 place settings, making it ideal for small kitchens or RVs. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER provides a larger capacity of 12 place settings, suitable for families or those who entertain frequently. This significant difference in capacity is a crucial factor to consider based on your needs. Another important aspect to consider is the noise level. The BCD6W operates at 60 decibels, which may be noticeable in quieter environments. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER is quieter at 54 decibels, making it a better choice for those who value a peaceful kitchen atmosphere while running the dishwasher. Finally, let's discuss the price. The BCD6W is priced at $399, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable solution. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER comes at a higher price of $999, reflecting its larger capacity and built-in design. Your budget will play a significant role in your decision between these two models. In conclusion, if you're looking for a portable and affordable option, the BLACK+DECKER BCD6W is a great choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and a built-in design, the BLACK+DECKER is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.